Squeegee buckets and window washing stations are some of the most frequently used items in your forecourt. Using costly 1-gallon blue jugs to fill your window washing stations can be expensive and provide a negative customer experience because they offer little cleaning power. When neglected, squeegee buckets accumulate bugs, dirt, bacteria, and algae, causing your squeegee bucket to become dirty, smelly, slimy, and unpleasant to customers. ORUS Concentrated Glass Cleaner is specifically designed for use in squeegee buckets and window washing stations. ORUS is safe, easy to use, cost-effective, and provides your customers with an effective solution to clean their windshields no matter what the road throws at them. ORUS high-quality cleaners keep your squeegee bucket smelling fresh by combating odors and buildup before they start. ORUS comes in both a concentrated powder as well as easy-to-use tabs. It's recommended that you replace your windshield cleaning solution daily, always starting with a fresh mixture to provide the cleanest window washing fluid for your customers. For freezing conditions, try Frigo Winter Additive. Frigo lowers the freezing temperature of ORUS for year-round below freezing use. When the basic needs of customers are exceeded, they take notice and become repeat customers. Using ORUS saves you money and keeps customers coming back for years to come.